Hello everyone, 2009 Toyota Sienna, and we will be replacing a light bulb. As you can see in this corner there is a marker signal light, and in this corner it burned out, so you will need 3457 Na. So let's get it replaced. Right, so this is the vehicle at its finest as it's supposed to be. So to replace the bulb you don't need to disassemble half of the vehicle, you just twist and pull it out. We will replace both sides, as you can see this one is getting close to. Just peeling off. Okay, so this is two-function bulb. It's a signal light and a marker light, so you can see there are two incandescent strings, with the lack of a better term. So you want to just make sure that you place them in correct orientation. So the longer one is pointing to the bottom right now, and the shorter one pointing to the top. So we get the new bulb. I will leave the link in the description. You can buy those on Amazon quite cheap. So we don't want to touch the bulb itself. We just make sure that it's positioned correctly. Push it in just by this plastic base. Now exactly the same way as we got it out, we push it in and then twist clockwise. The other side is absolutely the same. You have access to the connector, so we'll do the same thing here. Just twist it counterclockwise, pull it out, and replace it with the new one. And to put it back in, pretty much same procedure. You take it, you don't touch the bulb, put it in, and twist it clockwise. It will be a little bit tough, but it has to go and stay straight up. That will ensure the seal, just like that. Let's test. Perfect. Both sides are light up now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Please check links. And as always, just do it yourself.